In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators on Webull Desktop. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up a chart inside one of your layouts. I have a chart over here. It's just a chart to show you how to do this. And then in the top left, it's going to say indicators. Click on that. And then here you'll be able to see some of these. And then here it says all indicators. Click on it. And then you can see your favorites, your indicators, and then all the indicators. Find the one that you want so we can search for it, or just basically scroll down and find it, and whenever you're happy, click on it and it's automatically gonna get added to the main chart over here on the right hand side and also on your chart. Now what you can do with this is also remove it. So if you go to all indicators, you can click on this remove button to remove it, or you could remove it over here as well by hovering on the left hand side, clicking on remove, and it's gonna get removed. You could set the settings of it, so you could customize it by clicking settings, and then you can do that and click on done, or you could just hide it from your chart and it'll show it back again by clicking this I button over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.